Packages help us reuse code so we can focus on what's important. Let's use pip to see how we can install and manage packages in Python. We'll also take a brief look at the Python package index. Pip is Python's own package manager. Get to the command prompt on your Windows machine or the terminal on Linux and type in pip list. This gives you a list of all the packages installed and the installed versions. We have NumPy, Pandas, pip, Python dateutil, pytz, setup tools, and 6. If you want this in a format that the install command accepts, use the freeze subcommand. This gives us the same list of packages, just in a different format. So these are the packages we already have. How about the ones we need? If you need a package related to botany and don't remember the name, just search for packages related to botany with pip search botany. It has 4 packages for botany. Let's try installing a package. We do this with the install subcommand. Let's install NumPy. You can see that version 1.16.4 has been installed. But we could also explicitly tell it to install this version. We can confirm this in the IDLE. To upgrade a package to the latest version available, we use the upgrade option with the install subcommand. Other than the packages available with pip, you can download some packages from the pypi. This is the Python package index and it holds more than 176,000 packages yet. Let's search for packages related to astronomy. We have 310 packages just for astronomy. Other than pip, we also have Anaconda, and you can also download a package's binaries from the internet and install it using pip.